Changing route to Trader Joe's.
Still feeling a little bit sick today. Planning on going backpacking later this evening up at Mount Shasta, which should be fun. For now though, just doing some grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, which always just brightens up your day. Trader Joe's is the best store. On my way up to the mountain now. I've got about 2 hours drive and actually a bit pressed for time just because now that it's daylight savings, the sun sets before 5 o'clock. So gotta get there, prepare some dinner, eat some lunch, pack the backpack, and get on the trail as quickly as I can. Made it a goal to get going by 4:15. It is 4:18, so a little bit late. Sunset will be in just about 40 minutes. Don't think it's a long hike at all to get up there, just like a mile and a half. Plan on camping at a little lake with a nice view of the mountain. Just see what happens up here. Just coming up to the lake now. It's barely a lake at all. Definitely could use a bit more water. I guess while I just have a little bit more light left, I'll go ahead and set up the tent and then worry about what kind of photos I can scrounge up from this place once I'm done with that. Well, the lake itself was a bit of a miss, but this view is not. It's awesome. Just kind of headed and gathered up a bit of kindling and think I'm just gonna light a tiny little fire and take kind of a sort of cozy lifestyle shot from back up here, looking down with the tent lit up by my phone flashlight. Got the mountain, the lake. Should be a pretty decent shot, and it's not totally dark yet, obviously. Just kind of a nice blue hour shot here. There's settings going with ISO 1600 f4 and 1/5 of a second. So overexposing just a little bit right now, just to kind of compensate for the time it takes me to run down there and start the fire. I'm just gonna set it on a self timer, so it'll continuously take photos. Hopefully it turns out pretty well. It's an okay shot, not my favorite. Definitely just proud of myself for being able to light it in the first place though, so guess we'll call it a success from that standpoint. I think I'm gonna go to bed pretty soon, maybe listen to my book on tape, and then wake up and shoot sunrise.
My fictional version of Detroit. I had never been within 600 miles of Detroit, but I didn't let that stop or even slow me down.
About 6:30 now. Sunrise is in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go outside and try to take a photo. little bit away from the tent now to try to get the lake, the little mountain to the right, and Mount Shasta all kind of lined up into a nice sort of balanced composition. I'm really liking this tree right here. I just think it kind of divides up the frame in a nice way. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this. Settings are ISO 400, 1/60th of a second, and f8. It's a nice shot, not my favorite. Not really a portfolio image, I'd say, but it's pretty. Got a nice view. Very, very nice morning. Awesome spot up here. I also just took one more shot with the zoom lens. Settings on that were ISO 400, 1/500th of a second, and f8. Just looking out across all the nice layers towards the east with some sunlight hitting the trees in the foreground. Thought it was kind of nice. Headed back down now. Just gonna get back down to the car and then start making my way up towards Oregon. So just gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.